Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem on your Facebook. Just follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. So now, guys, you should not to open your Facebook. You have to come directly and open your settings of your device. Then right here, go directly and open apps option. You will find here all the applications that you have already on your phone. So what you should do, just search for Facebook only. When you open it, you will find this list. Scroll down onto your phone storage. Here, guys, be careful. Don't click on clear data. It will delete your data. Click just on clear cache. Then you have to back and click on first stop and click OK. Then go to battery and allow it on optimized mode as I'm doing. Then you have to back and go to permission. Allow permission or give permission to all of these options right here. Then go to your Play Store. Check that your Facebook is updated on the last version, then restart your phone then. So don't forget to like, subscribe. In our channel, see you next time.